How to contact eBay customer service. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ebay.com. Now scroll down to the bottom and you will see the Contact Us option on the right side. Tap on that. You will now see various articles. Browse through and select the article that suits your needs or queries the best. Go through the article and follow the on-screen instructions in order to solve your query. You will also be able to send your specific query as a text message. So, go ahead and enter your message and tap on the submit button and wait for the customer service team to reply to you. You can also make a direct call to eBay customer service depending on the location you currently reside. So, this is how you can contact eBay customer service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.